YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today we are continuing our fashion show series and we're moving on to the next piece. So far we got 3 pieces that are finished, 90% finished, still need details, but we're moving on to the next piece. This one is probably not gonna take that long at all. I actually might add 2 pieces in this video as well because this is not gonna take that long. But let me show y'all the pieces we thrifted that we're working with. So we're gonna be working with these camo pants and this denim work shirt. My plan is to crop the shirt. We're gonna have some flames, some pockets on the front. I'm actually going to insert the video of me creating a mock-up for this so y'all can see at the end what it's really supposed to look like. And if it turns out really well, you never know, we might put this in production with the manufacturer. So let me know what y'all think of this mock-up as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this piece. I'm actually about to go to my mom's house, print some things out because I need like some stencils. I need stencils for the flames. Yeah, so I gotta go print that out and then we're gonna get started. I'll be right back.
When I look at you, but you remind me of
Okay, y'all, this piece is finally done. 90%, you know, we still gotta do details, of course, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the piece so far. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. We got the pockets put on, got this patch done, and then the back, we got the flames sewn on the back. They look really good. That's crazy. Cut and sewn by my hands is insane. I'm super happy with how this is coming along. We have about 3 or 4 more pieces left. 3 or 4 more pieces. They're probably all going to be in the same video. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram as well, Dynamic X Fashion, so you don't miss the end results of the fashion show. But thank y'all so much for following along this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.